Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can reinvest dividend on trading 212. In order to do that, you have to first log in into your application. Just click on that and enter your email address and password. After that, after accessing your application, now you have to go to in your app. From there you have to look for dividend section. Click on the dividend click on the dividend section and click on the cogwheels gear icon. After that, in the upper right corner of the dividend section, ensure that renew is on. Here you can see the auto renew reinvest is off. Just simply you have to click on the on. Ensure that auto reinvest is turned on. This option is enabled by default, but you can toggle it off if needed. Now, understanding reinvestment. Dividend will be reinvested when the cash in your pie exceeds a certain threshold, which is determined by the lowest target weight in your pie. Alternatively, dividends will be reinvested during auto invest events or when you do manually add fund to your pie. So this is how you can reinvest your dividend in a trading 212. If this video found helpful and informative, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.